Welcome to qnawire.
In this problem of DC circuits, we have given a figure. Let me show you first. So here is the figure, and now we have to determine the V in this circuit. So we have to determine the value of V in this circuit. So first step is to convert this, say this is Y into delta. So we are converting this Y into delta. So here, and this would be in this figure. Let me show you the figure. So here we have named these ints as int A and int B. So here we can calculate RAB. So RAB is calculated as 15 multiplied with 10. So this is 150 plus 10 multiplied with 12 is equals to 120, and then 15 multiplied with 12. So here this would be 15 is multiplied with 12 is equals to 180. So this is 180 divided with. So first we have to write the opposite end. So this is divided with 12. So here this would be, say this would be 37.5, and similarly we have find, say we can say this is AB and this is terminal C. So R, this would be AC. So RAC is equal, so this would be 150 plus 120 plus, so this would be same it is. So this is 120 plus 180, and now see the opposite. Say this would be opposite is, say, or we can write it as A, point B and point C. So opposite would be 10. So this is 10, and now when we solve it, so this is equals to 45. So this would be 45 ohm. Similarly R, this would be BC. So RBC is again, so this would be 450. So this is 450 divided with 15 is equals to 30 ohm. So here we have made this circuit, and now combining all the resistor, say here this would be 30 ohm parallel with 20 ohm. So we can say 30 ohm parallel with 20 ohm would give you, say 30 multiplied with 20. So this is 30 multiplied with 20 divided with 50. 30 plus 20 is 50. This is equals to 12 ohm. And similarly these two are in parallel again. So 30 ohm, say this is, these two are in parallel and these two are in parallel. So here this is equals to, equivalent is equals to 12 ohm, and their equivalent is 30 ohm parallel with 37.5 ohm is equals to, this is 37.5 multiplied with 30 divided with 30 plus 37.5 is equals to 67.5 is equals to 16.667 ohm. And similarly 35 ohm and 45 ohms are in parallel. So their equivalent is equals to 16.667, and now their equivalent, so 35 ohm parallel with 45 ohm is equals to, again applying the same formula, we are getting 19.688 ohm. And now these three, so here R equivalent is equals to, so now 16.667 and 12 ohm are in series, and this combined resistance is equals to 19.688. So we can say R equivalent, so R equivalent up to this point is, say this would be in parallel. So 19, so this would be here 19.688 parallel with summation of these two. So 12 plus 16.667. So this is equals to, say this would be 28.667, and now when we apply the formula, we are getting this is equals to 11.672 ohm. And now Equivalent resistance up to this point is equals to 11.672, but we have to add 16 also. So V is equals to, this would be 11.672 divided with, say this would be division of voltage. So 11.672 plus 16, and total voltage is 100, so this is 100, and this is equals to 42.18 voltage. So voltage between these two ends is equals to 42.18 voltage. So this is your right answer, 42.18 volts.